I made this fully working real estate website without any knowledge of coding, with AI, without being frustrated for hours that I can't move some elements. So here I got the best place to find your dream house. I got featured properties. When I click here, I got gallery. It looks good. Also browse more properties here. About us. Then also the contact. Everything works, the filtering too with properties. Of course, you can make it even more complex if you would like. So I'm going to show you how we can make a website like this. Let's go. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to use a Claude Design for making the website. I will show you the whole process. And then I'm using a Claude Pro account. It's going to be sufficient. So we are not going to straight up like start prompting, make me a real estate website. First, what we're going to do is we need a hosting and a domain. When you're going to click on the link down below in the description, you will get right here to Hostinger, where we will be uploading the website with the domain. So here you're going to choose a website like a Premium Unlimited, the hosting, so the premium is going to be sufficient, and the longer the period you are going to have, the less you are going to pay on monthly basis. So how it works is that if you're going to choose the premium, also then you're going to have for the first year, you're going to have domain for free. So here I got 48 months, $2.99 a month, have a coupon code right here, Marcus, then you're going to have 10% off. So here on a secure domain, you're just going to write, just like your domain, first year is free. That's it. Don't install WordPress. Don't use the hosting or website builder. I will show you a much better way. So in a moment when you are going to have this, then we need to find some template. This is like a thing for you, a homework for you in a way, that find some template, some website that you really like how they have the design. So real estate template, Webflow or Figma or Framer. So you can find, or even, you can find so many great templates. And then all you're gonna do is we need to download it as a PNG file. So you're gonna right click, then you're gonna have screenshot, capture full page. You wanna scroll completely down, and then imagine that this is like the site, that this is the template or some existing website, and I'm just going to click save. And then we are going to upload it to the Claude Design. So I now just uploaded it to the Claude Design. I want you to make me same website for real estate companies. So I'm sending right now from screenshot template, analyze deeply the structure and the design, like the header pictures, ask me questions about animations, design, and also information on the website. Want to be responsive and mobile friendly, everything under one index HTML so I can upload it to hosting with the domain. So very simple. And now it's going to ask me questions. For the model, I'm going to use Effort High for the Opus 4.8, and I'm just going to send it. So I don't know when you're watching this video, maybe there are going to be much better models. What is going to happen now, it's going to prepare questions for me. We're going to answer them, and then it's going to start with the design, and then I'm going to show you how we can edit the website. All right, so now it's just ask me questions. You can share even more information that will come to you, that like what you want to have there, the colors, the things like that. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to press continue. When I fill out everything, I will also show you how you can create a contact form then and add it to your site. All right, so I'm going to press continue. It's going to make a website now. So check it out. It made a site. Oh, we see right here the search for properties, Los Angeles, and I can search automatically. I'm in browse properties. I can click on a property and I see wonderful. Now when I click that I want to see more images, it doesn't work, so I need to change that. About also works great. The card needs to be gone. So here, in my opinion, it looks good. It's quick and effective, and it was made in a couple of minutes based on the template. So this is insane. Now we need to improve it. So I'm going to share here that how we're going to make changes. So the first way is that on the bottom left, you're going to write that what you want to change, right? Or you're going to click here comment, where you're going to okay, there is a contact form. I want to have something else there. Or even I can click here and click edit, where you can edit the things by yourself, like a text, like the images, that you can edit those too. Now I'm going to right now share that, for example, I want to multiple changes, so I'm going to write it on the bottom left. Also, I'm going to show you how you can add a contact form, so it's not really difficult. And what you're going to do is you want to come here to Web3 Forms. Web3 Forms is a site that is going to allow you to share sign up login here, and we need to create ourselves the account here. So I'm going to come and click continue with the email, and Web3 Forms is a free option to have an form for our site, because right now it's just a placeholder. It's not going to work out. So I'm going to get the email right now, and 7371 057. Here we go. And now when we got it, when we're gonna have the contact form, I agree, continue, free, okay, continue with the free plan. Here you're gonna write your domain, and then you're gonna just share this form key. So replace my form with web3 forms. I mean the where it goes. Here is my key, and here is my how it's called. Here is my code. Okay, so here we got it. Also, on header I want the free images there with sharp corners, not around. Also have that like that on whole site. Let's see how it goes. Everywhere sharp the images. Also, the images are not working on under properties when I want to click between them, you know. So fix it. In header, remove cart and remove post a property. Have there instead contact us page with contact us page. Okay, instead of post a property. And next to post a property, remove the search icon. Okay, so now we just send what we want to do, and this is what you can do, like multiple things. Like otherwise it looks good. It doesn't look bad at all, but I don't like the rounded corners. We're gonna see how it's going to look like with a with different type of corners. Okay, the properties, you can have even more filtering. So this is what you're gonna do. After you're gonna make all the changes, it's time to also export the website. So we're gonna wait until how it's going to look like, then we're gonna continue. All right, so it got exported. The website is finished. Now I'm going to click download. And what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to come to Hostinger. I will show you how we can upload it. So when you're gonna have like everything finished, you will replace everything, right? And you're gonna come here to Hostinger. Then you're going to come here to websites, and you're gonna come to dashboard. And when you're gonna be on the dashboard, there you're gonna find the files and file manager, access files. And right here, public HTML, you're gonna delete this, and then you're gonna upload the index file. So you got it. Now when I'm going to open the site, look at this, and I'm going to open the website. It's fully finished. Isn't it insane? And you can make it like, let's say you're gonna have more agents. So you're gonna have different agents. You can have even people there that when they're good, someone is going to click about and they're going to click on a person, they are going to have the information there, right? So there is no limit what you can do. I just want to share with you how amazing you can do it very quickly by yourself in a couple of minutes. When you're gonna have hosting a domain, you know, get a Cloud Pro for a month for $15. You don't have to pay any monthly for Wix, for Webflow, for Framer, whatever. You're just gonna pay for it. AI, it's going to make the site, bam, finished.